brand new home with a lift to all floors, with solar panels, underfloor heating. We've got good sized gardens, loads of parking, double garage, and the best thing, we're just a short stroll from the town centre, Coronation Park and the leisure centre. It really is exceptional, and let's go and have a look. So if we have a closer look at the kitchen, and you'll notice straight away, it's such a light, bright, sociable space. We've got an exceptional range of integrated appliances. We have a coffee machine with a coffee warmer, we've got an oven, and in addition, a steam oven here as well. For cooking, we also have an induction hob with extractor fan, a dishwasher, and also a huge fridge and freezer. The quality is solid, and you've got really good, innovative lighting here, creating an element of light for every different mood. He does a lot of fishing, doesn't he, Graham? No. Outside, we can see we've got the benefit of a very expansive level space, and behind me you'll notice we've got views over to Carradon Hill and the tops of Bodmin Moor. So if this home is something you're interested in and you'd like more information, then please don't hesitate to contact Webbers today on 01566 77 6211. Thank you.